Hey people, Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. Hey, I paint monsters for a living. Good morning, my people. This is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. We are at Project X once again, getting things done. We're working in a swamp right now. And once we complete that today, we're going back to the vampire room. Got new and exciting things going on there. And I got to do some skeletons, put some more skulls on the walls, do some stuff. Things had to be changed around. It's all good. You know, keep the Stewmeister working. So appreciate you coming on board. Hey, please subscribe. Check out the links in the description below for our, YouTubes and other YouTubers that I try to promote, and also our Stuartizm.shop. You get the Stuartism swag. Hey, thanks for coming on board. You guys have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Enjoy. Okay, there have been some changes. So now all of a sudden we have this. And what I'll do is I'll put the video of the last portion of the vampire room in the description below and as an annotation, that way you can see it. But we got some skeletons trapped inside there. We're gonna gack them up. This guy needs a lot of love. Make him look all juicy. They had to remove my skulls here, but left the one, so I'll be able to add a couple more right here. Then the organist sitting here, so I brought in some of my skulls, and we'll make some additions. And gotta do what you gotta do. And they remove some stuff, so we gotta take care of that back area. So we have a person that's gonna be jumping on one of those bungee things and take care of that. This will close right here. All right, so we're gonna gack that up, and then probably a month before we open, I will be coming through and cobwebbing this up to the nth degree, and it'll look really cool with all the lighting. So we're gonna get some stuff going. So I'm jumping back and forth from the factory and this area. So let's get the party started. Okay, it's been about four and a half hours, and we got these bad boys ready to go. Now I put the black spray paint on these because it traps the mold release in the inside, and we're able to go over it with the water base. Now this is Durabond 45 minute, so it's basically like plaster, hard as a rock. Once it's dry, got the skeletons done up with rope insulation, cheesecloth, and latex. And so that will dry overnight. And then these guys, you can see the discoloration. It's more white there, darker here. It's still wet. Okay, so she's curing, and she will cure overnight, and then we'll be able to come in and paint these bad boys in the morning. So everything's ready to go. There, around the bend, got these bad boys here, and that's gonna look sharp once you're around the corner, and boo scare, there's Stewie. So onwards and upwards. We'll go on to day 2 for this video and get these bad boys taken care of along with the skeleton. We also will be repainting these bad boys that are in there. Also, we're going to be cobwebbing the living daylights out of this room, but we might wait until later on to do that, until the latter part of the year. But the owner wants to like have rooms done and walk away and have it ready to go. So we might take some time in the latter part of this week, part of next, to sit there and just cobweb it up so she's ready to rock. And it'd be a finished room that nobody needs to bother with again. And so, oh, this guy too. Got him done up. Little extra stuff on him. And we'll wait for that to dry before we paint him up. Where's the